Hello friends, welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you the reason why I like cooking bacon in the air fryer. Not only that is less messy, this is also the healthier way. It separates the oil from the bacon. It perfectly cooked the bacon. So if you want to learn how I cook the bacon in the air fryer and how much oil a pack of bacon has, please keep on watching. With your choice of bacon, place the bacon strips into the basket. Select the bacon icon, but adjust the heat to 370 degrees and cook this for 8 minutes. And then after 8 minutes, you could check it. It's actually cooked, but we like our bacon extra crispy. So I'm gonna pop this back in the air fryer, cook it for 400 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, there is the bacon. Let this sit for a little bit, maybe a minute or two, till all those bubbles are gone. And this is done. And you could serve it right away and look and listen to how crispy it is. This is why I like cooking bacon in the air fryer. It's super easy, you don't have to watch it, and you could put the entire pack over there. Over inside the basket, I mean. Now let me show you how much oil one pack of bacon has. So I ended up cooking 12 strips of bacon. So I'm just going to transfer this in this empty container. But I ended up putting this in a measuring cup, so that kind of tell you how much oil it is. That's already a lot, right? So now let's move it to the measuring cup, and it will show you that there's almost a cup of oil for one pack of bacon. So cooking bacon in the air fryer is the healthiest way. So I hope you give this a chance, give this a try. Buy an air fryer. I love my air fryer. I have it for a long time now. I hope you like this video. It's quick and easy video. I hope you're going to give this a try. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao.